Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your CJ affiliate tax information W-9, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your CJ affiliate tax information in W-9 form, start by logging into your CJ affiliate account. Locate the account tab on your dashboard. Click on account settings from the drop-down menu. In the account settings menu, find the tax information section. Click on the tax information link to proceed. You will see your current tax information displayed here. To make updates, click on the Edit button next to your W-9 form. A new window will open for you to enter your updated tax details. Fill in your name, business name, and the type of entity you operate under. Next, provide your taxpayer identification number, or TIN. If applicable, include your business address and any other required information. Be sure to double-check all entered details for accuracy. Once you have completed the form, click the Submit button. Your updated W-9 will now be sent for review. You should receive confirmation of the changes within a few business days. If you have any issues during this process, consult the support section on the CJ affiliate website. Keep track of your submissions to ensure your tax information is current. Updating your tax information regularly helps maintain compliance with tax regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.